Hi, I'm MadhuMalthiReddy from Amrit Foods. We are from Ghaziabad. Our factory is in Ghaziabad. We are in South India from past 8 years. Especially in Hyderabad, we are from 8 years. Our products, we have all the ranges of dairy products, milkshake mixes, ice cream mixes, and all RTD ready to drink shakes, cold coffee, and lemon tea, peach tea, protein shake we have, which is 0% sugar and 20% protein in it. And we are very happy to be here in exhibition. We have got a very good footfall. Response is very nice. Thank you for the people who have given an opportunity here and who have assigned a stall here. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నారండి మాకు ఫ్రాంచైజీస్ ఇవ్వము త్రూ ఆ ఛానల్ పార్ట్నర్స్ వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్, బెంగళూరులో ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు, చెన్నైలో ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు. సో వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్. బయట నేను వేరే ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కంపేర్ చేయలేను నా ప్రోడక్ట్ ని, బట్ మా ప్రోడక్ట్ అయితే చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆర్డర్స్. ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ లో అయితే పిస్తా హౌస్ విచ్ ఇస్ గివింగ్ అస్ 10 tons of orders for the fresh cream, and like Minerva, Kanzu and restaurants, caves and unnai, which is very famous in Hyderabad. So it is very nice. Ma products, if you want to taste, you can visit to IKEA. You find yogurt softie there, and you get all vegan product softies. Like we have strawberry, mango, guava softies you find in IKEA. Anyone can walk in there and take it. Ikkada, if you come into all caves and restaurants, most of the each and every cave, our product will be there. We are not present in front. Whichever cafes you walk in and have shakes or softies, the product what you eat will be made out of our product. It's called Coolem brand. Thank you, Andy. Thank you.
My name is Mithun. I'm first time came from Hyderabad, but taste is too good. Taste is too good, and quality is no more sure, and very you can take no issue. Okay, because taste and quality definitely both are different, but there is too good. Enjoy. Thank you.